Is it safe to install third-party apps on my LG Smart TV? And what precautions should I take?
In this video, we'll discuss third-party apps on LG Smart TVs, the possible risks associated with them, and the precautions you should take.
What are third-party apps?
Third-party apps are applications that are not officially endorsed or supported by LG. These apps are typically created by developers or companies other than LG and may provide additional features or services that are not available in the official LG App Store.
Are third-party apps safe?
Third-party apps can pose a risk to your LG Smart TV's security and performance. While many of these apps are safe and secure, some may contain malicious software or vulnerabilities that can compromise your TV or personal information.
Precautions to take when installing third-party apps.
1. Research the app and developer before installing any third-party app. Research both the app and the developer. Check for user reviews, developer reputation, and possible security issues. Only install apps from trusted sources. 2. Check for updates and patches. Make sure your LG Smart TV and its apps are up to date with the latest security patches. This can help protect your TV from potential security risks. 3. Limit app permissions when installing a third-party app. Pay close attention to the permissions it requests. Grant only the permissions that are necessary for the app to function properly. 4. Install antivirus software. Installing an antivirus software on your LG Smart TV can help protect against malware and other security threats. Choose a reputable antivirus program to keep your TV safe. 5. Create strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for your LG Smart TV and any associated accounts. This will help prevent unauthorized access to your TV and personal information. In summary, while third-party apps can provide additional features and services for your LG Smart TV, they can also pose security risks. It's essential to take precautions such as researching the app and developer, updating your TV, limiting app permissions, installing antivirus software, and using strong passwords to ensure your TV remains secure.